Hello everyone, this is Hazel from Handcrafted Expressions. Welcome back to my channel. Here, as a design team member for the Robin Nest Creative, I will be designing this tea light holder using the fabulous dewdrops from the Robin Nest website. So here, I have taken a cork board in a round shape and I will place it below. Using the tea light holder, what you're going to use, just place it in the center and you draw a circle just to place the placement of your tea light holder. Now keep this aside, and now the space what is around the circle you can design in your own pattern. As it is Christmas, I decided to use the Christmas colors to decorate this tea light holder. So you can decorate with n number of shapes you want. That's all up to you how you want to design your tea light holder. So I am going to use different shapes to just create my piece. I'm also taking some gold and silvers to go with it. Here I'm taking the glue and just starting to place some drops or a line of it to just design using these beads. So first I'll take these silver ones, silver, the gold and the metallic colors, and I will start placing. You can just place as you require. I am going with different shapes of them, whether it is small or in size or a bigger size, it's all up to you. To receive different shapes and different sizes in these lovely bottles. So you can play with n number of size and shapes with these dewdrops. So I am just placing them as I am getting. There is no uniformity of the sizes. I am just placing any size and trying to create this tea light holder so it will look nice and beautiful. You could also gift them to your loved ones. While using the glue, try to use a glue which will dry transparent. So even if you use a line of glue and once it's dried, it won't be visible. It will dry very clearly and you will not even see a trace of your glue. Okay, we finished one line. Now you decide how you want it, and now I will place, since I've used the metallic dewdrops, I am going to just place my red ones. Again here I am not using, try to align them with the base so they won't move. Okay. Now again I am using the red. Since it's Christmas, I thought of taking just these colors to go with. It's the Christmas in July. And I'm just filling this gap. Now here I will be using 3 beads and one of the leaf shape to go. See, so this will create a pattern for you. You could place 2 or 3 of them again just to give some pattern. Again I'm placing the round one. And once these are dried, they will not even move around. You could also, without the tea light, you could fill this gap and make a coaster for yourself too. You could also use wooden base. But since I had this cork board, I thought of going with it. You could use a spatula or just to give this shape a uniform so they don't come out of your circle. Just give a light tap so that they come together and don't leave any space. Now leave it to dry. Once it is dried, you can use it as many times as you want and change your tea light. Also, if you fill this gap of your circle, it will form into a coaster. So this also will look very beautiful. You could form a flower design just for a coaster, or a circle with one shade, or you can place just your tea light holder and use it as a tea light holder. Here we are done with the tea light holder. I hope you enjoyed this session and the tips for creating a coaster as well as a tea light holder. Thank you for watching. Bye. Do visit the Robin Nest website for the lovely dewdrops. See you next time.